Police and prosecutors across New York State are concerned now with how the new bail reform and discovery laws passed in Governor Cuomo's budget plan will impact society.
News Channel 9's Julia LeBlanc hearing from members of the law enforcement community in Central New York this afternoon who say these rules directly impact their profession along with public safety.
Sheriffs from across Central New York coming together here at the Justice Center today, sharing their concerns with the new criminal procedure law. They say there's no funding for it, and it could cause some issues with public safety. Now, these new laws would eliminate the option for judges to set bail on more than 400 crimes involving charges like manslaughter and vehicular homicide. Local sheriffs saying people in law enforcement were not involved in the decision to pass these laws, and that's where a lot of their frustration is coming from. And many are not prepared to handle the costs and extra resources they say would surely need to come from this. But those in favor of it say it'll help those who can't afford to pay for bail while others can.
We are forced to stand here today after the fact, calling to the attention of the public, the legislature, and the governor the serious flaws in these new laws. Flaws which will create chaos in the criminal justice system, great expense to the taxpayers, and most importantly, danger to our citizens.
These laws were passed with support from citizens of New York across the state, from community groups that worked diligently for years to get this passed, and none of that was talked about today.
Other members of law enforcement meeting all across the state today, hoping to send a message to the state legislature to take a second look at these laws before they go into effect on January 1st. In Syracuse, Julia LeBlanc, News Channel 9.
Meantime, Governor Cuomo is standing by his decision, saying these reforms will bring greater fairness to New York's criminal justice system.